In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P1007 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. The moment you have opened this one, please navigate here at the search bar and type for HP LaserJet P1007 printer, and then click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first one, which is under support at hp.com. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you would be able to be navigated to a new page where you can download this printer driver. Okay, so first you need to scroll down here. Allocate for driver product installation software. Click on this down arrow key and choose for basic drivers. Click on it. And there you can see a basic driver. Click on this download. Eventually, you can now start on the downloading the moment you've clicked on it. Okay, wait until it will be done. And once you are done, please navigate here at the top right corner. You can see the download icon. Click on it. And eventually, it will show you the downloaded file. So please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is, while selecting it, please make a right click and click on the cut icon. Once done, close this window as well as the browser, and from here at the desktop, make a right click and you need to click on the paste. Okay, so once you have successfully moved the driver here or the file, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this file. So go with extract to, and the moment you do it, wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Okay, so the next step that we need to do is we need to start on the installation. So by that, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and locate for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. And the moment you have bring up the Bluetooth and devices settings, please choose for printers and scanners. And there you can see a device called, option called a device. Sorry, click on it and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add the printer driver. Once it's here, please click on add manually. And this window would appear. Please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So if you have an HP port, you can select that as well. Once done, please click on next. Click on have disk and you need to go with browse. Selected file has been placed at the desktop. Then we need to navigate here, scroll down and proceed to your extracted file, double tapped, and it will show you eventually the driver. Click on open and click on OK. So eventually it will be placed here. Please choose for HP LaserJet P1007. Click on next, and it will now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, please click on next, click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P1007 printer driver in your Windows 11. So you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.